Asam de leriba Meche Chinau, Meche Pangan Chinau, Kuding Mapuhanana, Holomjiri, Nasi, Ekoi, Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee Assamna, Helakan di DC Office ki respected District Commissioner da Ahoina, Ekoi ki Autonomous Council Demand Tanbegi, Memorandum Mama. Honorable CM Sir the forward to win about Kishin Jerome Akoi Mache Akoi Honorable respected District Commissioner Sujam Harong Lowy Manasu Honorable Akoi Chief Minister Tajare Gaire Akoi Akoina. We would like to appeal all the communities of Assam, irrespective of caste and creed, that please support our demand. Our is a rightful demand, and as per constitution, we are demanding it. We are very minority people in Assam. We have around 3 to 4 lakhs population in Assam, and around 325 to 350 villages, Manipuri villages in Assam. We are demanding it from many CSOs and many well-wishers, including Manipuri and Manipuri Muslim community. আমরা সবাই কমিউনিটিকে আপিল করছি আমাদের ডিমান্ডটা সাপোর্ট করার জন্য। আমাদের এটা হাম্বল অ্যান্ড হিউম্যান আপিল টু অল। থ্যাংক ইউ।